All right, students. This is number 24. Name your notes. And you'll notice really quick that they already did a couple for you. We have D, E, G, A, B, C. And I'm going to show you guys a trick that I really liked growing up because I have a really hard time memorizing just about anything. So if we look at these, I remember as first learning, it was hard for me to just memorize what notes these were. So I'm going to give you a trick that'll help with that. Now, if we go up in notes, we always go up steps. We go up where it's in between a note. We call that space note. And we have notes that are on the line. It goes space, line. We haven't learned the note F yet. Soulsbyville you have, I know. But F would be right there. So it goes line, or sorry, space, line, space, line, space, line, space. Now go ahead and look at that pattern of notes and tell me what you notice. And if you notice that it's going up the alphabet, you're correct. If we're going up space, line, it goes up the alphabet. So we started on D here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, but the musical alphabet only goes to G and it restarts. So we go A, B, C. If we went to the next note right there, and you guessed it would be D, you'd be correct. A D would be right there on that space. So using that, we can also look back at previous notes and see what they line up with. So just a hint, that note and that note are the same. They're both D. So I'm going to give you guys some time. Go ahead and pause, and then I'm going to let you do the rest of this top line. Pause now, and then we'll come back and review what we got. All right, now that you're done with top line, let's take a look. We have a couple ways we can figure out that note. We can go back and see if we can find it over here. And if you notice that this and this are the same, you'd be right, they're a G. But you can also count up, the way I showed you. D, what's next in the alphabet would be E on the line. Next in the alphabet would be F on the space. Then we just go up one more, G. Now it works backwards too. You can either go back and find out that it's the same as the E, if you take a look, and write that in. But you could also count backwards in the alphabet. It goes G, backwards one is F on the space, and then we have E, G, F, E. Now you can, again, go back and notice that, oh, it's the same. It's a G. Whoa. Come on, Stan. Or you can count up the alphabet. E, F, G. Next one, super easy to count up. It only goes up one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Remember it restarts. G is the last one in the musical alphabet. It goes up to A. Uh-oh, it's going up just one more again. That's a B. Next one is a C. This one doesn't go down by one. Let's count how many times it goes down. One, or C, going backwards. B to A. Remember it goes space, line, space, line. So that would have been A backwards is going to G, because remember G is the last one. Backwards is F. Backwards one more is E, down to D. And again, you could just notice that they're the same one, so you just put A. But let's count up. A, B, C, D, E, F, space, G, line, A. All right, you got a bottom line to do, and then we'll do it together. Go ahead and pause the video, finish out the bottom line, and we can do it together and check your answers. All right, now that you're back, it's all done. Let's take a look. Notice that those two are the same, so we can go ahead and just do E. All right, let's count up. E, space, F. One more, G. It's a G. Going backwards. Or you could notice that E's right here on the line. So let's just go backwards from E1. So backwards 1 goes down the space. D. Counting all the way up. D. E. F. G. A. That looks familiar, right? D. Counting up. D to line. E to a space. F to a line. G. Counting up. G. Space A. B. C. Let's count down. C. B. A. A. G. F. One more E. Then D. D. Counting up. E. F. G on that middle line, or second line. Now we got to restart. A. B. All right. If this is B and we're just going down one space, line to a space, go backwards 1 in the alphabet. Do you love coming to school with Dad and being bored? Yeah, look at all the things you can go play with. All right. A. And then we're counting up. A. B. C. Going backwards, just 1, right? Space to line. So backwards in the alphabet 1. B. B. Space A. Line. Remember, we got to restart because we're out of letters. We go back to the end of the alphabet for music is G. Counting backwards. G. F. E. D. Finally, all the way up. D. Line E. Space F. Line G. Space A. Line B. And C. I'm going to go over this really quick if you missed anything. That's our top line. And the bottom line. Sorry about my bad handwriting. I've always had kindergarten level handwriting. But that's just me. Email me your questions, guys, if you have any questions. Email is kdooley@soulsbyvilleschool.com. Peace out. Stay healthy.